I am utilizing the Bid Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bid Integration Dashboard. Create integration. Search and select Essential Blocks. Fetch it. Now go to your form and fill it up to fetch the data. Form submitted successfully. Go to your integration site. Here you can see that the data has been fetched successfully. After fetching data, choose a unique value, for example form ID, in every form submitted. Then find and select a field that contains the same value, then select other fields that you want to map with your action field. Choose a unique key. Set action. Now here search and select Mailjet. Here, give them a meaningful integration name as you want. To get API key and secret key, click on Mailjet API token. Copy the primary API key. Paste it here. Now click on Generate Secret Key. Copy the correct key. Paste it here. Now click Authorize. Authorization is successful. Click Next. Now select the lists. Now map the field. Here is an advanced feature available for you to utilize according to your specific requirements. Here is the conditional logic. You can use it if you want. If the condition matches, then the data you will send to Mailjet. Click Next. Now save the integration. Now go to your form and fill it up with data. Submit it. Form submitted successfully. Now navigate Mailjet page and select the list. Here is the data that came into Mailjet through the integration. Thanks for watching.